leaked Mnangagwa letter over Tagwirei. Sarambira mashoko arikuda panguva ino yachinokonza what is a leaked letter to President ED Mnangagwa over kuda kweshe Tagwirei. Ndiri subscribe like on the bell icon tipina simanyoro wakaitwa panapa mubudanyo pamuchinzi. The ZANU-PF First Secretary Comrade ED Mnangagwa, ZANU-PF Headquarters, 22 July 2025. Your Excellency, Comrade Machacha's incompetence. I am writing to bring your attention grave concerns regarding the behavior of Comrade Machacha, the political commissar of ZANU-PF. In my opinion, Comrade Machacha has failed to uphold the principles and the values of the party, and his actions have brought the party to disrepute. The party's structures have exceeded their term, and nothing has been done to restructure administrative positions. Recently, Comrade Machacha championed a flawed process to recommend Tagwirei by the Harare Province Management Committee without following due procedure. It is alleged that he received a Toyota Land Cruiser from Tagwirei, which raises serious questions about his integrity and motives. As political commissar, Comrade Machacha's role is to unite the people, promote the party's interests, and ensure that structures operate within the constitution. Instead, his actions have caused divisions and undermined the party's constitution. I strongly recommend that Comrade Machacha be removed from his position as political commissar and spend 6 months at the tables of ideology to reflect on his actions. Furthermore, the Harare Province Management Committee appears to be compromised by bribes, and I recommend that the province be dissolved and an interim committee be established to run the party's affairs. I hope that you will take these concerns seriously and take the necessary actions to resolve the party's integrity and credibility. Yours comradely, Comrade Vanzo. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino. Pane comment section medu mboti zamafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pe these rifts ari kuitika in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Pane comment section medu zamafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.